Hey Jesse with Revved Up SEO here. Hope your day's going good, man. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you so we can show you some things that your competition's doing that you could also be doing and help you out tremendously and in turn eventually outrank them. So first and foremost, I know you didn't have a website, so we're just going to go ahead and do a keyword search for something that you service for one of your services. And I just went ahead and scrolled down, found three of the top competitors here on this first page. So we'll dig into those two right now, or those three. But first and foremost, when it comes to ranking a website, Google's going to look at the content right off the bat. That's what they can read. It's just like hard print on a website. So anything that can be highlighted, you do like a quick select all, anything that can be highlighted. Google's going to read that, and when it comes to content, content's kind of king in Google's eyes. We definitely recommend 1,500 words as a solid foundation minimum. Sometimes you can get away with a little bit less, but like I said, minimum for a solid foundation, we recommend 1,500. And the reason why we recommend that is because the more content you have, the more keywords you can put in the content. And like I said, keywords is something you type right here. You're going to find it in here somewhere. Um, but with that being said, I have a tool over here. It's called Ahrefs, and what it does is it helps me kind of dig into how your business is doing on the back end on the digital side. So right here we have something called backlinks. A backlink is just a link on another website pointing back towards yours, and these is what we call link juice. The more link juice you have, the better, but it's also got to be relevant. So if you wanted to be relevant, you'd probably look at some other car wrap businesses, say in like Arizona, Texas, Utah, something like that. Um, or something in the painting industry, something related to what you do. What you wouldn't want is like a pizza joint or like a Subway. It's got to be relevant. The more relevant, the higher authority it's going to bring you. You can see right here, Rapid Albuquerque, they have 30. Um, that's pretty low, but still, you put in more, you're gonna outrank them. Like I was saying about keywords, you can put these keywords into your content. I mean, obviously not wrap up Albuquerque, but just to give you an idea of what these keywords do is this phrase right here is a key phrase. To keep in mind is the amount of volume that it has. This is the KD. This is just how difficult it is to rank. So as you can see, on a scale of 1 to 100, it's pretty easy. Um, but like I said, this keyword, car wraps Albuquerque specifically, is bringing in 350 searches a month. At a 2KD, it's pretty easy to rank for. But what it's doing is it's giving this website right here, albuquerquecarwraps.com, Rapid Albuquerque, 43 people a month. So these guys are ranking in the second position for that. So as you can see, that's why they're getting so much traffic from it, because they're on the front page, on the top spot, and just humans by nature, they're going to go with the easiest to see. Vehicle car wraps, 50 people searches a month, they're bringing some people. But like I said, that's what keywords do. Using your backlinks to help send power to these keywords helps tremendously as well. So I'll just take you into Albuquerque Tent Pros. Obviously not a lot of content, just like Rapid Albuquerque didn't have a lot of content. So obviously having that 1,500 keywords is going to be pretty important. Outrank them with content. Albuquerque Tent Pros, they have no backlinks. They're just getting all their keywords just straight from the content. Like I said, content's king, but having those backlinks is going to help outrank them as well. We have these guys here, no content either, no rating, very few backlinks. So, with that being said, there's another thing that Google looks at, and it's going to be citations. So citations is just anytime your business is listed with its business name, address, and then its phone number. And this is going to be anywhere online in any directory, anything like that. So Yelp, things like that. As you can see, we have some down here, expertise.com, Yelp. Those are directories. If you see them right here, this is like a national thing. So Google's going to take priority over a local business over a national. So we can outrank these pretty easy just because Google wants to send business to local people. That's how they make their money, you know. So the more citations you have, we just have to go in there and figure out how many of these guys have. And then put in the work to outrank them with more. Um, this is your business, your Google My Business listing, obviously. I don't know if you guys have one, but definitely, if you don't, I would definitely create one, get it up and running, things like that. But with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video. I hope you found this video pretty informative. If you like what you hear, give me a message back after I send this to you. Thanks for your time. Appreciate it, man. Hope to hear back. Thank you.